Hello everyone, for today's video, if you have trout fish and you wanna learn how to cook it, then this might be the right video for you. I have two fish here that's already clean. So let's prepare the ingredients that we need. Ground black pepper, garlic powder, salt. I am using pink Himalayan salt, thyme leaves, olive oil, and last, I like to add fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now we just need to season our fish with this. Make sure that you put the seasoning to the fish each side and also the inside part of the fish. And now I like to put garlic inside of the fish. You can add or use any kind of spices that you like. Then we are going to put this into our air fryer basket. And last, I like to put slice of lemon in my fish. And once you have everything, we're going to cook it to 400 degrees in 15 to 16 minutes. But it depends the size of your fish. If you have bigger fish, then you might need to cook it longer. And finally, here is our fish. It looks really good. Lunch is served, and I like to serve it with hot sauce. So again, this is it for today, guys. Our air fryer trout fish. If you have any comment or suggestion, comment it down below and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.